to remove the two-way magnetic valve that is used for draining the solvent, you're first going to need to remove the cover and remove the side panel that the valve is located. Then you will need to remove the two wires that are connected to the side here. In this case, I have a yellow wire on top and a blue wire on the bottom prong. Then you will need to use a small wrench and loosen the tubing that is connected on the bottom. And then you can unscrew it by hand. Then carefully turn the magnetic valve. And then you can easily remove it. One thing to notice is the orientation of the valve. So on here, it's very hard to see, but there's a little arrow that indicates the flow of the solvent. And in this case, it needs to be pointing down. So when we go to replace the magnetic two-way valve, what we're going to need to do is orient it the same way with the arrow pointing down. Be careful when you try and reinstall it, because this is actually plastic and you're screwing it onto this metal piece. You need to carefully line it up with the bottom and then turn it. You don't really need to tighten it really tight. Then you'll want to connect the tubing. Here again, be careful trying to line it up properly. You want to try and screw that in nice and straight. Otherwise, what will happen is it will strip the plastic. Okay, so you can make it finger tight. And then you can take the wrench and tighten it slightly. And then reattach the two wires. So after you have the wires attached, you can then reassemble the ADC2 and add some solvent and test it out.